Okay, a week ago, I soon discovered that my snare drum needed a major replacement, mostly the snare lug. I discovered this when I was trying to retune my snare head and noticed that the snare lug came out. It really fell out of place, and here's the original snare lug. As of today, I got my replacement in, and already replaced this. But here's what the original looked like. As you can see, the screw holes right here for both of them have been ripped apart. And here's the two pieces right here that were still attached to the screws. Although this is a different one, I have reused those on here. I had to get a plier and a screwdriver to unscrew these out and manage to save them and reuse them. These are the new ones that came in with the new replacement parts. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Usually the swivel nuts are going to suffer the most after cranking them so high, so tight that it's going to wear out. But lug nuts are it takes a while for this to be, finally coming to an end. Which, after realizing this, I decided to check on all my lugs and pretty much basically turn them upside down just to expand the life a bit more. But I'm gonna have to buy some more replacement parts just in case because, yeah, after many years it finally happened. Never thought I would actually see this happen, but it's quite a surprise. So, yeah. But as of right now, I got to replace and back in business as usual.